If you are looking for the best gas pressure washer, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer. The Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 Gas Pressure Washer is a versatile and flexible high-pressure gas pressure washer for large-scale, high-performance cleaning. Its steel tube frame is strong and durable for extensive, heavy use, and is coated with matte black powder to offer a high level of durability and resistance to rusting and corrosion. The 10-inch wheels feature 4-ply pneumatic tires, allowing this to ride over rougher surfaces with ease, offering a high stability and shock absorption. The OEM Technologies axial cam pump is designed for minimal maintenance, making this to keep running at optimal performance throughout its long lifespan. Number 2. Generac 6598 Gas-Powered Residential Pressure Washer. The Generac 6598 pressure washer is ideal for quickly and effectively washing your patio, deck or driveway. The machine is fitted with a high-performing 212cc Generac engine, OHV. The product comes with a 30-feet hose for added convenience and great nozzle options. You can use the power dial to adjust gas pressure, setting it to an optimal level to clean both delicate and tough objects. Its gas pressure is measured at 3,100 psi. This also comes fitted with an axial cam pump that enables convenient hose connection access, so you don't have to kneel to the floor to do anything. Number 3. Westinghouse WPX2700 Gas-Powered Pressure Washer. The WPX2700 from Westinghouse is the ideal companion to undertake any cleaning challenges. It comes with portability and adaptability. The pressure output is 2,700 psi and the flow rate is 2.3 GPM. Both these specifications are suitable for deep cleaning on different surfaces. There are 4 quick connect nozzles included. They are 0 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap nozzles. The Westinghouse OHV horizontal shaft engine is a 4-stroke gas-powered engine that is built in heavy-duty construction. Its gas tank's capacity is 1 gallon. Number 4. Wen PW3100 3100 psi 2.5 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The Wen PW31 Gas Pressure Washer is a large and powerful gas pressure washer, offering a compression power of 3,100 psi or 2.5 GPM. Its extra-long 30-foot reinforced hose adds to its versatility and reach for larger outdoor projects effectively. The extra-large 12-inch wheels mounted on the sturdy steel cart body of this gas pressure washer allow for smooth transport over rougher outdoor terrain, and the rubberized coating on the outside of the wheels ensures a slip-proof, stable grip on wet surfaces. Number 5. PowerBoss 3100 Max Psi at 2.4 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. Powerful and flexible, the PowerBoss Gas Pressure Washer is one of the best gas pressure washer models available for relatively large domestic cleaning projects. Its 3,100 psi, 2.8 GPM compressor gives a high level of water pressure for intense cleaning of stubborn and ingrained dirt. It has long 25-foot hose and 1 gallon onboard detergent tank. The 4 different interchangeable spray nozzle tips give a high level of customizability and control for precision cleaning. The Easy Start technology provides easy, low-effort starting. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.